To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a whole lot easier. Plus, there's a few surprise gifts for you inside of the blueprint. One of the more iconic intros, I think, of all time. Great, great song. Don't Dream It's Over by Crowded House. I was lucky enough to see these guys in concert early on. And by the way, thanks so much for subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it. And ring that bell if you want to hear what's new with me and teaching. And we give away a lot of lessons and stuff on Wednesdays. First thing I want to talk about in this song is the chords that are in it. I always like to spell out the chords first. So that really unique kind of sounding is in this case, it's actually an E flat sus2, but we're capoed on the 3rd fret, as you can see. And this is, by the way, that Neil Finn does it. I checked it out both on the video and on a recent concert he did, a little Zoom thing he did. So basically, it looks like, in this case, it would look like a C sharp, with the capo. So I'm going to call out these chords as they lie. So in this case, rather than doing a regular bar chord like this, you go ahead and start out with this note, 3rd fret on the B string, and a bar, and then you put on the 5th fret, you got your third finger here on the D string, and your pinky tucked underneath on the G string, and it sounds like this. It's pretty easy. It's actually easier than doing this, and it sounds great. So that's one chord. That's the opening chord, and I'm going to give you the intro in a sec. And then over here you do an A version of that same chord, A sus2 in this case, even though capoed. So, and then you go to an F, bar F, and E. The only other chord in the song is a B flat fingering. It happens during the instrumental interlude, and I'll get to that in a while. So here's the chords that are in the song. And then the chorus goes F, G, C, A minor. F, G, C, A minor. Over and over. Okay, so now I'm going to play it all in real time so you can get it, but let me first show you that intro. The intro does a little thing where it starts out with this very unique kind of almost an R&B kind of strum thing. It's down, up, and it goes like this. Okay, so let me take that apart for you. So you've got your C sus2, and then you lift your pinky up. So let me give you that strum. It's a very unique kind of rhythm he's got. He said when he was writing it, he was thinking of like an old R&B tune, because you hear the light. He's got a little echo on the guitar. And then lift that pinky up. And then the pinky goes to 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th fret. And back. So here's how it sounds. That's the intro. You got that? Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday we pick a new winner to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, And occasionally we'll even give away free guitarist gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the YouTube channel and you're automatically registered to win. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and get updates for when new videos are uploaded. And make sure you like this video and comment down below for even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our daily video and in the community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called, and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson. I think that's pretty basic, but it's a great sound. That's the move. And then once it gets into the verse, you stay right on that same chord. There's freedom within. And back to your A. Same A's that we used. So it's the same chord. We just move back from C sharp position to an A position. Great voicing. And then to an F major. Straight up bar chord. To an E. Any way you like to do it. And then it repeats that. Second half of the verse. The A position. And then F. And that sets up the chorus, and the chorus goes F, G, C, A minor, F, G, C, A minor, again, F, G, the wall between them, and then F, they know when, it stays on the F, and goes. And you're back to the verse, okay? So let me play all that I just taught you, because this is pretty much the meat of the song, and then I'm going to get into the instrumental break and the tag at the end. Okay, so it starts out like this. Verse. There is freedom within. There is freedom without. F. Try to get to tell you to E. In a pinnacle. Back to the C sharp. To the A. To the F. Resolves to the E. Now the chorus. F to G, and now, C, A minor, again, F, A, G, C, work on A minor, F, G, C, little wall, A minor, stay at the F. Okay? Alright, so here is the instrumental interlude, which is a little bit different than the rest of the song. Starts out with the C, the same chord, the C sus2, and then back to the A sus2, and then F, and E, and then one more time, to the A, F, E. Now this part's a little bit different. Now it just goes F to C. Again. B flat. And you're into the third verse, okay? So let's go over that one more time, just so it's not, confusing to you. You start out with the C sus2. Keyboard thing, the A sus2, F to E, keyboard solo, F, and then it comes into the guitar solo, F, B flat. Okay, rings out, and then it goes back to the last verse, which is the same form as chord form as the rest of them. Then the final chorus goes, dream it's over, F, G, C, A minor, F, G, the one between us, and then at the very end it goes, F, C, A minor, which is just the chord changes to the chorus, and it just does a really cool little. And that's how it fades out. Dream is over. So I just want to let you know we're going to do an in-depth version of that song with a lot of different bells and whistles, because there's several guitar parts to it and a lot of moving parts in it. But hopefully that was straightforward enough that you can grasp. Kind of unusual chords, unusual voicings. Big fan of Neil Finn, great songwriter. Big fan of Crowded House as well. And the one thing I want to just sort of remind you is that rhythm. If you can capture that rhythm, that's the feel of the song. So just down, up, down. But really, you know, I could explain that all day with tabs and things. I'm not big into that when it comes to the right hand. I'm really a fan of just watching and getting the feel and listening to the music and feeling it. Because with that one, you could read tabs all day, but you might not get that. If you can just emulate what I'm doing there, you'll grasp the feel of the song and it'll take you there. But I just love the sound of those chords, really cool. And his voice is a little higher than mine, so I can't sing it in his range. Right. On the first line of the final chorus, it does a little substitute chord. It goes D minor, and now to G, don't C, it's A minor. Then it goes back to the F. And so on. So I just wanted to mention that the one chord is different. Jason just pointed that out to me. Good catch. So that add that D minor on just the first line of the final chorus is kind of a nice little dramatic move there. Last bit of information. We'll go more into that in the in-depth lesson. But originally it was written in the key of E, and Mitchell Froom, who produced it and played that wonderful keyboard part, he said, let's do it in E flat. It's sadder and it's more complex. And I think that was a good call. And I love the way he uses a capo here because, you know, if you want to, you can use alternate chords around it. So that's Don't Dream It's Over. And again, come back and see us. We'll show you some in-depth stuff in the new year. And I'll see you down the road. Thank you for taking the time to check out this online guitar lesson. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a whole lot easier at www.jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag and apparel, guitar gear, and sometimes we'll even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment below, and share this video with anyone you think might like it. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck!